Sharp eye pain, causes and symptoms. Sharp eye pain can stem from many causes. Without treatment, some of these issues can lead to vision loss and other serious complications. Intense or sharp pain often results from debris entering the eye. This type of pain can also occur with migraine or cluster headaches. In some cases, inflammation or fluid buildup in the eye can also lead to severe pain as well as tissue damage and vision problems. In this video, we discuss some causes of sharp eye pain and when to see a doctor. Causes and symptoms. Debris in the eye. Many people experience sharp pain when debris such as dirt or dust becomes lodged in an eye. The pain usually subsides once a person flushes the debris from their eye. They can do this by splashing water or saline solution on the affected eye. If a person continues to experience eye pain, they may have a corneal abrasion, which is a small scratch on the eye. In this case, it is best to contact an optometrist or ophthalmologist for further evaluation. Uveitis. Uveitis is inflammation of the eye's middle layer, the uvea. This inflammation can also affect the eye's lens, retina, optic nerve, and vitreous fluid. It can occur in one or both eyes. Uveitis can cause the following symptoms: eye pain and redness, dark spots in the vision, blurred vision, sensitivity to light. Uveitis can damage tissue in the eye, which may result in reduced vision or vision loss. Medical professionals who specialize in eye health can use chart exams and evaluate the pressure inside the affected eye to diagnose uveitis. They may also dilate the pupil to inspect the back of the eye. Treatments for uveitis focus on reducing inflammation and pain, preventing tissue damage, and counteracting vision loss. A doctor may recommend corticosteroid injections or drops, oral immunosuppressive medication, anti-inflammatory eye drops, or oral medication. Scleritis. Scleritis is severe inflammation of the sclera, the outermost membrane of the eye. People can develop scleritis as a result of an infection or autoimmune disease or as a side effect of medication. In some cases, doctors cannot identify the cause. A person with scleritis may experience mild to severe eye pain that gets worse at night or with eye movement. Other symptoms include sensitivity to light, watery eyes, reduced vision. Doctors may perform multiple tests to diagnose scleritis. This include imaging tests such as X-rays, MRI scans, and CT scans. Antibody test, a complete blood count, test for Lyme disease or rheumatoid arthritis. The right treatment will depend on the underlying cause of scleritis as well as the type and severity of symptoms. In general, treatments for scleritis include corticosteroid eye drops, oral tablets or injections, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, immunosuppressive medications. Cluster headaches. Cluster headaches can cause severe pain. People often describe the pain as searing, burning, or stabbing, and it tends to occur above the eye or near the temple. In this context, a cluster refers to a group of headaches. They usually occur during the day, and one cluster commonly lasts from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Clusters may occur frequently for several days or weeks, with pain-free periods in between. Other symptoms of cluster headaches include intense pain on one side of the head, red or watery eyes, a runny or stuffy nose, pupil constriction, drooping eyelids, sweating, restlessness or agitation. Migraine. Migraine is a common neurological disease that can cause headaches and episodes of other symptoms. It affects about 29.5 million people in the United States. A migraine headache can cause severe, throbbing pain behind one or both eyes, and a person may also experience sensitivity to light and sound, vision changes such as seeing flashing lights or partial vision loss, dizziness, loss of coordination, fatigue, weakness, nausea and vomiting, mood changes, confusion, difficulty concentrating. Symptoms of a migraine headache or episode typically last for 4 to 72 hours. Doctors and researchers still do not fully understand what causes migraine. However, certain factors can trigger symptoms. Among them are emotional triggers including stress and anxiety, physical stress due to lack of sleep, poor posture or overexhaustion. Certain foods such as chocolate, aged cheeses and processed meats, beverages that contain alcohol or caffeine, hormonal changes such as those that occur during menstruation or menopause, overuse of certain medications such as over-the-counter pain relievers. Angle closure glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of diseases that damage the optic nerve. Without treatment, glaucoma can cause vision loss and blindness. There are three types of glaucoma: open angle, normal tension, and angle closure. In the United States, open angle glaucoma is the most common form, and most people who have it do not experience symptoms right away. Angle closure glaucoma occurs when fluid quickly builds up in the front of the eye, causing a sudden increase in pressure and intense eye pain. Another name for this disease is narrow angle glaucoma. Other symptoms include a sudden severe headache, nausea, blurred vision, seeing halos around bright lights. The symptoms of angle closure glaucoma develop rapidly. This condition is a medical emergency that requires immediate treatment. A doctor can drain the excess fluid and prescribe medication that reduces the pressure in the eye. Tolosa-Hunt syndrome. Tolosa-Hunt syndrome is a rare medical condition that causes sudden, severe eye pain. It usually affects one eye, and moving the eye may be particularly painful. Some people also experience temporary paralysis in the eye. Other symptoms include headaches, double vision, fatigue, bulging in one eye, a drooping eyelids. The symptoms of Tolosa-Hunt syndrome often clear up without medical intervention and recur sporadically. The exact cause of the syndrome remains unknown. However, some researchers believe that it arises from the inflammation of certain areas behind the eye, and that is relates to an abnormal autoimmune response. When to see a doctor. Severe or persistent eye pain can indicate an underlying medical condition such as uveitis, scleritis, or angle closure glaucoma. A person should contact an ophthalmologist or their regular doctor if they have severe eye pain that does not go away after a few hours, visual disturbances such as blurred vision or dark spots, visible swelling of the eye or nearby tissues, nausea or vomiting.